Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into building a personal, private AI computer on a budget, a fascinating project detailed on ewintr.nl. The author cleverly tackles the issue of AI accessibility and control, right?
Absolutely. The article highlights a crucial point. The current landscape of AI is dominated by tech giants, right? Their business model often involves initially offering free or cheap services, hoping to capture market dominance before potentially monetizing through biased outputs or other means. Scary, huh?
Exactly. The author uses the example of DeepSeek's R1 and its refusal to discuss Tiananmen Square as a stark illustration of potential political bias in commercially driven AI. Chilling. But the solution? Building your own.
That's the exciting part. The article explores the possibility of running open-source LLMs like DeepSeek R1, Llama, and Gemma models locally. This allows for greater control and the potential to mitigate biases. But the hardware hurdle is significant, isn't it?
You bet. High-end GPUs or Apple computers are typically required, and the cost can easily reach thousands of euros. The author's clever approach? Second-hand.
Brilliant! Using pre-owned equipment significantly reduces the cost. The author details their build using two NVIDIA Tesla P40 GPUs, achieving 48 gigabytes of VRAM for around 1,700 euros. Impressive.
Indeed. But it wasn't without its challenges. The Teslas, designed for servers, lack built-in fans, requiring additional cooling solutions. The author had to overcome compatibility issues with their existing HPZ 440 workstation, including PSU compatibility and the need for a dummy GPU to satisfy the BIOS. A real engineering feat.
I see. The article meticulously documents the hardware choices, including the NZXTC 850 Gold PSU, a Gainward GT 1030 dummy GPU, and custom cooling solutions. The author even provides a script for monitoring GPU temperatures using Home Assistant. Amazing detail.
Precisely. The author also shares performance benchmarks, showing the tokens per second achieved with various models at different power levels. This provides valuable insights into the trade-off between performance and power consumption. Fascinating data.
Right. And the conclusion? The author expresses satisfaction with the project, highlighting the cost savings achieved by using pre-owned equipment and the satisfaction of having a locally run, controllable AI system. A testament to resourcefulness.
Absolutely. The article serves as a practical guide and inspiration for anyone looking to build their own private AI computer on a budget. It's a compelling example of how open-source models and clever resource management can democratize access to powerful AI technology. A truly inspiring project.
It certainly is. The author's detailed account, including the challenges faced and solutions implemented, makes it a valuable resource for anyone considering a similar endeavor. A must-read for DIY AI enthusiasts.
Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.